on my way to Odori, and then when I got there were lots of people, and there were lots of people who were wearing costumes. They look so cute, really kawaii. And there are a lot of goods there that you can buy. Yeah, you can be boodled there. Like I was looking for some Anya stuff because naikabuangon ni Anya here. I tried to look for a stuffed toy of Anya here, but it was expensive. Look at that lady's ear. It's so cute. So here you just see us feeling the vibe, and it was a bit hot, but it was bearable. Here there's some games, and that's a gacha. I didn't do a gacha game, but someone did, so I just took a video. Those people sound so good though. Hear them talk. The gacha machine kinda had a malfunction, so he had to do that. But everything was good. It dropped. I was gonna do a gacha, but I didn't know the characters. I got cotton candy from this stand, and I ordered the blue and the purple one. I forgot the blue flavor. I think it was vanilla, and then the purple one is like ube. It was like a normal cotton candy though. A bit pricey for the whole thing, but it was okay. It was cute for aesthetic purposes.
This performance is impossible. This is a Japanese term that literally means demonstration line reliance. It is commonly used to describe the pattern of lines along which a kata is performed.
Thank you. After I got my cotton candy, we just roamed around and took photos with some characters. See, that's a really cute thing. Like, be careful, he'll eat you. But he was nice, so he even gave us chocolates. We also got to see these Porsches, and then I got a corn, and my friend Giselle tried to play this Japanese game. I forgot what it's called, but you just got to pick whatever you want using this cooper with paper on it. Like if it gets too wet, then you won't be able to scoop anything. But she got 2 balls here, which what you need. So she got the brown ball first, and then she will try to pick whatever she wants, and then she picked ding 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 ding. I think she picked a green one. Yeah. I didn't get to play, but I was already happy seeing how happy she was. She was kind of jumpy. And even the guy was so happy for her. Look at that. See? Arigato gozaimasu. And these are sweets. Special sweets from Japan. It looks so hard to make. I think you need like years of experience to do that. And I don't think I could ever do such a thing. I mean, I don't have the experience. I don't have the skills. Not even on a clay. Yeah. That looks amazing. So cute too. Then after that, we watch a show. As per my friend, this is a joker from Japan. Well, actually, he is a comedian. Yeah, he was funny, but I don't know if people really laughed at his jokes. Well, I was laughing, and then I felt like I was alone doing that. So I kinda toned down the laugh, but you know that's not me. So enjoy watching him.
Sa Japan, oblong. Kasi singkit mata. Kaya, hindi lechon, sobrang sarap. Napakasarap. Gusto ko lechon baboy. Masarap siya. Sobrang masarap. Tapos, syempre, alam ko, paano kainin. Alam ko na. At saka, gusto ko din lechon baka. Masarap din siya. Tsaka, syempre, alam ko paano kainin. Pero, hindi ko alam paano kainin. Yung lechon kawari. Paano? Alam ko, lechon baboy, lechon baka, lechon kawari. Matigas eh. Masisya ng ngipin. At saka gusto ko lumpia. Masarap din lumpia. Gusto ko lumpia toge. Masarap siya. Tsaka syempre alam ko binabalot ang toge. Alam ko na. At saka gusto ko din lumpia isda. Masarap din siya. Tsaka syempre alam ko binabalot ang isda. Pero hindi ko alam ano ang binabalot lumpia Shanghai. Taga Shanghai ba? Kawawa siya. Baka hindi siya masarap. Lumpia siya. Meron ko lumpia Saitama? Hindi ako masarap. Nakakatakot. Hindi ako masarap. At saka, iba-ibang tao, iba-ibang ugali ng tao. Halimbawa, ang mga Japanese, sobrang laging busy. Ang mga Japanese, laging busy. Sobrang mabilis. Lumakat ang Hapon. Sobrang mabilis. Kasi laging busy. Ang mga Pilipino, parang dahan-dahan buhay. Slow life. Dahan-dahan buhay. Pusong Pinoy, pusong Hapon, iba-iba ang ugali. Parehas ng insekto. Halimbawa, ipis. Mas mabilis ipis ng Japan kaysa sa ipis ng Pilipinas. Totoo, kasi pusong Hapon sila. Laging busy sila. Sobrang mabilis. Pero, pusong Hapon sila. Kaya, kapag may stoplight, hihinto sila. Kasi may disiplina. Kaya madaling patay. At saka, iba-ibang ugali ng langgam. Ang mga langgam sa Japan, magandang gumawa ng pila. Kasi may disiplina. Pusong Hapon sila, magandang gumawa ng pila. Pero, dito sa Pilipinas din, gumagawa ng pila. Ang mga langgam.
Sir Jail! Tapos,
Here he was asking a name to translate into kanji, but it was kind of funny because he said the meaning of the name was mukhang tae or parang tae. Sadly, I wasn't able to catch that on camera. Like,
Paliwanag kita. Ano ang ibig sabihin?
Then after that, the cosplay competition started. So enjoy watching. I really like the Kagura here.
Tanaka Sekizui-ken. また刑事だもん。いいんだから。あっちの私は雑魚だね。政治の壁をぶち破るよ。貴様的なあとよ。Chan as Kagura from Mobile Legends.
Odori.
Future is where I am standing. Defeat.
competition, it was time for Fumiya, the Japanese vlogger, to be on stage. Yeah, if you know Fumiya, he's really cute.
If it's not yours, it's not yours.
As we practice honesty,
Yes.
discipline today as we celebrate Bon Odori.
So we already witnessed the cosplay competition. What did you think about 23? And Belle Lumiere presents Fumiya is back in Cebu!
Mayong hapon po sa inyong lahat sa Cebu. Ako po si Fumiya. Salamat po sa pagpunta sa akin. I'm so happy talaga. Pangatlong beses ko po pumunta sa Cebu. I'm glad to see you guys. Gawin po namin ng pinakamasayang araw today. Ready na po kayo?
Look at Fumiya's brother though, the one taking a video.
Thank you so much, Cebu! Hey! Maayong gabi, Cebu! Thank you so much! Oh, you are the one, Fumi. Thank you! Salamat! And Gihigog Matika! Salamat! Thank you so much! So today, let's Thanks so much for coming Bon Odori Festival. And then ako sobrang masaya talaga. I'm so happy to meet you guys, di ba? And then so today I want to perform with my members. Is it okay to introduce? Yeah. Okay. He's Shadow.
Mayong gabi! Gihigukumatika!
Hey! Ano?
Gihi?
Gihigukumatika.
Gihigukumatika!
Matika. Matika.
Gihigukumatika!
Nice.
I was having fun!
Nice.
Please enjoy this stage!
Yeah, thank you. And no, Gihigukumatika. How many times I do that? Hey, 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 hey.
Can you dance this TikTok?
What's happening? Oh. Just with you? Yes. Yes, I am. Hey, hey, hey! Make loud noise! Hey! Hey! Hey!
Thank you so much. 3, 2, 1. Thank you, Cebu. Thank you. Dagang salamat. Tapos na? Hindi change my life talaga in a good way. That's why maraming salamat. Dagang salamat. Like that. Kaya! Ginawa hindi matatapos. Dadaan ko ang gusto. Ito ay hindi sa iba. Sa aking buhay ko isusunod ko. Ang dami-dami na bagay sinasabi. Kahit madami hindi ako lumingon. Ang dami na mga desisyon sa buhay sa aking desisyon. Oh, oh. Thank you so much! Yeah! Did you enjoy? Salamat! Very maganda talaga! Yeah!
Once again, Belle Lumiere presents Fumia!
So after Fumiya's performance, we just roamed around and then we watched this one dance. After the dance, it was time for fireworks! Thank you for watching! Please subscribe to my channel.